Hello, welcome. Come on in. Welcome to this lovely condo today. So this is a lovely condo that I actually decorated for my client, and as you can see, we're here. It's a penthouse condo in the heart of Old Town Alexandria, Virginia, and the scenery, everything in here is so beautiful. It's a 2-bedroom condominium, and I had the pleasure to decorate. So follow me. So this is the living room. And most of the furniture in here is restoration furniture. I work with restoration, which you guys may know it as RH, Restoration Hardware. My client really stressed that he wanted chandeliers and he wanted a 4 seasons ambiance. So with that said, I made sure that, I kind of looked at 4 seasons, and as we know, that hotel feel, that hotel vibe is very clean, crisp, light colors, but also elegant. So we added chandeliers, beautiful pendants, and also beautiful wallpaper to give this luxury place a luxury feel. So follow me. So as I was looking for bar stools for the kitchen, I ended up going with Arhaus because Arhaus had the perfect bar stools for the kitchen, and it went with the rest of the decor. And as you can see, most of the colors in here are neutral colors. Your brown, your black, your grays, your beige, and your creams. But I wanted to add a pop of color and add some greenery, right? And in our beautiful bowls, we have green apples just to give it a little extra color. So you can always decorate your space with fruit or fake things to add a pop of color. The pendants are in brass gold, so I wanted to make sure the chairs were brass gold behind it with black legs as well. That pulls in the black. So the wallpaper is black with beautiful, as you can see, there's some cream, there's some gold hints of color that actually pulls in the rest of the living room. And we move over here, and you have a beautiful gold mirror, okay? And as you go around the room, you find some more black and cream in the art, some more greenery, a caramel color, cute bench that I actually found at Home Goods. So that was the added feature. But all the rest of the furniture is restoration. This beautiful couch is restoration, pillows, and this beautiful black chair. I had to add an accent chair for this space, and I chose black to pull in the black in the room. And my favorite piece in here actually is this beautiful console that's right under the TV. It's like gives you that brown and a little bit of black and caramel, pulls out some caramel, beautiful brown colors. It's just beautiful. And this is my favorite piece. I didn't do too much decor here because as you can see, we have a candle. He actually has the speakers for his TV, surround sound, so that's actually sitting here. And then I did add this piece of gold design here. Chandelier is beautiful brass gold. And then our centerpiece table, our center table, I had to add a pop of hint of white just to bring out more of that earthy feel that's in the room. And as you can see, it's clay-like. And it's so beautiful, and it's a huge bowl, so you don't need a lot of decor here. You just add the bowl. If you want to add color in the bowl, you can. And I have a beautiful candle and a beautiful coffee table, what they call conversation piece book, Louis Vuitton, of course. This way. Hey guys, so I had to actually do this voiceover. I am so sorry, so quickly, because I'm missing some footage. But don't worry, I'm gonna do a part 2. This is just gonna be part 1. But real quick, I'm gonna recap. So again, most of the furniture is restoration. Please excuse my client. He has somehow made his way in and messed up the pillows, but that is okay. As you can see, I have used very minimalistic decor. Wanted to keep it clean, simple, not overdone. The wallpaper adds some texture. Very beautiful wallpaper. So part of the living room, we did beige on one side, and then the backdrop of the wall, I wanted to add a dramatic look. So we added the black wallpaper with the gold that leans up against it, that makes it just pop even more. So I wanted to give it very dramatic feel. Those pendants, restoration, gorgeous, so heavy. The glass on them, I mean, just the brass alone. Next to the bar stools, which are from Arhaus. Those countertop stools are from Arhaus, and it just all went together. We also replaced the kitchen sink faucet to kind of blend in. As you can see, it's black and bronze as well. As we pass, you see this beautiful piece of art that I found real quickly, but we go into the powder room, and we also move some of the black wallpaper in here to make the powder room again pop. And because we ran out of it, you know me, I added a touch of art deco that goes with it, and that's what we designers do. So I'm gonna go into his room again. I added wallpaper, just had to. The space was so small, so we couldn't overcrowd it with large furniture. So very, again, minimalistic, not a lot of decor, a beautiful dresser, chest, drawer. The wallpaper is so gorgeous. It just pulls out that caramel, that burnt caramel from coming from that bed, as well as the lights and the rug. So what's awesome about this space, which is my favorite space, I wanted to make it feel not only like you walked into a hotel or you're somewhere else, that maybe, it just feels different. I wanted it to kind of be very sexy, very clean, feminine, but masculine. So the colors are very neutral, of course. But that burnt caramel just is a beautiful pop of color up against the black mohair rug, which is from Restoration. And I found that at the Restoration outlet. So again, it was a lot of running around. Restoration outlets or any outlet don't always have what you're looking for right then and there. So I swear those people probably saw me 20 times. But I had to replace the first rug because when I saw this rug, I said, oh no, we have to get this rug. Again, added the beautiful gold mirror trimmed in gold to pull and pop away from the wall. Again, simple. And as you can see, he has nothing but glass windows all around. The chandelier, to die for. The crystals with that beautiful bronzy touch to it. I mean, I just wanted to lay down and go to sleep, really. But yes, I wanted you all just to see this. And again, I am going to have to do a part 2 for sure. I'm not finished. There's another bedroom and I'm finishing the balcony. So toodles, don't forget to subscribe.